Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to convert your Canva presentations into a PowerPoint file. It's really simple, but there are a couple of things you need to choose the right way. So yeah, let's jump right in. So first, open the presentation you want to convert. If it's already in your recent designs, just click it and if not, you can search for it at the top. Pretty straightforward. Once your design loads, head to the top right and hit the Share button. Then choose the option that says Download. This is where Canva hides all the file formats. I mean, a lot of people miss this. Inside the Download panel, open the File Type dropdown. Scroll a bit until you see Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it, and Canva will convert each slide into a proper PPTX layout. Before you hit Download, you can choose which pages you want. If you only need, like, the first few slides, you can uncheck the others. Most people skip this part, but it saves time. When you're ready, click the Download button. Canva will take a moment to process everything. Then your PowerPoint file will save to your computer. So yeah, super easy. Open the file on your computer, and it should load perfectly in PowerPoint. If your fonts look a little different, that usually means Canva used a font that PowerPoint doesn't have. You can swap it out inside PowerPoint in just a few seconds. And that's basically it. You can convert any Canva presentation to a PowerPoint file in just a few clicks. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next guide.